What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here for you. In today's video, we're doing another crypto hardware wallet unboxing and review. This time it is for the SecuX W20 crypto hardware wallet with Trend Micro, which I will explain exactly what Trend Micro is and the benefits of it and why this is so different than the last SecuX video you may have seen. Stay tuned, you do not want to miss this one. All right, guys, welcome back. So in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at unboxing and looking at the brand new SecuX W20 device with Trend Micro, and I'll get into, as I unbox the device, what the Trend Micro is, how it helps you, why you want it, so on and so forth. You know, as far as the presentation, as far as the actual box, as you can see, in my opinion, they didn't put too much effort into the box or into the packaging. Some people like to take that as a first impression in terms of the quality of the device. I'm kind of mixed on that. I'm more interested in how the device functions, what its security model is, what kind of functionality and user experience. That's a little bit more important to me, but just wanted to comment that, yeah, this, as far as a box and its presentation, this isn't as impressive as some other models are, but let's go ahead and unbox it and take a look at what's inside. We're gonna cover in this video, obviously, the device's security model, the security chip, the user experience. We're also going to cover the coin support, any unique coins, NFTs, different blockchains that are covered and are supported on the device. And of course, we will cover Trend Micro and the price of this device and all the special deals that I have as an offer for you. So let's get into it. Again, just a basic cardboard box, has the SecuX sticker, looks like it passed the quality control. Okay, all right, so looks like they just have a little bit of the kind of packaging here, and then it's a pretty big package if you ask me, just for the device. Looks like it's got some of the sawdust residue from here, but let me put that aside for a minute. And as you can see, this is the SecuX W20 crypto hardware wallet. It is partnered with Trend Micro. It is a Bluetooth and wireless wallet, and then it covers the different chip that it has. Now, the outer box and the way that they handled the actual box is night and day difference. Some of the unique things about this before I open it up is this device is both wireless, so it can communicate through Bluetooth with an iOS or Android app for you to sign and send transactions, but also it does have a USB port, not only for charging the device, but also it allows you to do desktop application and web application management. So you can do it on you can manage your assets on desktop, you can do it on mobile, it's up to you. Not a lot of people have both options, but SecuX does. So it looks like they have some security seals on this side here. If we flip it over and look at the back, it touts some of the basic things. It has a CCAL5 Plus security element chip, same as before, has a 2.8-inch color touchscreen for you to verify and sign transactions. If you saw some of my older videos, having a screen to verify the transaction details, not only just for sending and receiving to different addresses, but also if you're interacting with smart contracts or with NFTs and things of that nature through MetaMask, through Wallet Connect, which these also support as third-party wallets. That's a very, very crucial and important feature of having a secure hardware wallet. Again, this has also, as I mentioned, the mobile app and the desktop app. It supports technically over 10,000 cryptos, coins, tokens, etc., including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USDC, BNB chain, XRP, Cardano, Polygon, Solana, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Tron, and a lot more. And then it also has the chain safer scam alert detections. That's what I was mentioning before about Trend Micro. Basically what this is, and you can read the blurb here, it says it's an exclusive blockchain security service. When suspicious activities such as phishing attacks and malicious contracts are encountered, immediate alerts are issued to ensure your online transaction safety and quality. In other words, this is a service that's built into the web application and the mobile application of the device, where what it does is it basically has a blacklist of any scam NFT addresses, any scam smart contract addresses, any scam wallet addresses that have been known or flagged to fraud or scam people in the past. And it helps you basically understand what you're signing before you sign it. An example of this would be, let's say that you're trying to buy an NFT, it gives you the smart contract code, and you're in, say, MetaMask, for example, and you authorize it. Now, a lot of people that authorize it don't actually read the transaction details in the code. They just sign it without looking. Now, that's not called blind signing, but what that is this gives you basically a extra step of security to say, okay, this is not a publicly proven scam, or it is, and it will alert you before you sign the transaction. If it's a blacklisted blockchain address, whether that's an exchange, whether that's a group, whether that's an individual, it doesn't matter. Basically, it's just an extra layer of security that uses blockchain analysis and goes through and gives you an extra information about addresses or smart contracts that you're interacting with. For me, that's a huge deal. This is something that we haven't quite seen integrating other third-party software to be helping you sort of get more information before you sign. So this is unique. This is an online service, so it's only done through the application on your phone or your desktop. It is not on the device. So there's no way that this software for Chain Safer is going to be on your offline hardware wallet device, which is really good. It's just an extra layer of software that's integrated with the SecuX mobile app and desktop app for you to just be more informed on what you're signing, who you're sending to, if anything's blacklisted, if anything has been reported in the past, so on and so forth. So that's Trend Micro and their Chain Safer scam alert detection. We know a lot of people, even with hardware wallets, hot wallets, exchanges, have sent crypto to different scam addresses without knowing. Hopefully this is a line of defense that will help you be more aware of what you sign before you sign it, because as you know, once you sign a transaction and send with your private key and send it, there's no undoing it. So this is just an extra layer of authentication to kind of help guide you in the right direction, which I think is really cool. With that said, let me go ahead and bust this open here. This is a device that's made in Taiwan. I know to some people that matters a lot as far as where it's manufactured. You know, there's some people that don't want their devices that are manufactured in Asia or in China or anything like that. Some people only want, you know, European made, or in some cases US made wallets are manufactured. But my experience is that since this is open source, you're not going to have that many problems here. So we covered the security part of this, which again, the highlight here is the Chain Safer, the Trend Micro, which is again is a software that helps you identify before you sign transactions. All right, so as you can see, there is tamper-proof packaging. I kind of destroyed it, kind of pulling it out. But what I was saying is, as far as the security model on this, it's using the same CC EAL5+ security element chip as most other wallets do on the market. Like I mentioned, it is wireless, but it communicates via Bluetooth, same as say like a Ledger Nano X, for example, or a Decent wallet. So it's kind of similar in that regard. As you can see, the device is pretty small. I'd say it's about like 2 by 3 inches, but you have a large touchscreen display. Has obviously the Bluetooth symbol. There's a tamper evident seal across the USB port here. This is for charging as well as using the web application. It actually has a really nice finish. It's like a high quality grade plastic. Here's the button for activating it on. Only one single charging port, but I do like the big touch screen. And as you can see on the touch screen, it says thank you for choosing it, and it kind of walks you through. So I'm obviously not gonna set up the pin, but it lets you create a 4 to 8 digit pin to kind of walk through getting your seed generated, getting everything activated offline. And then you can choose, of course, to use the mobile application to manage your portfolio, to sign and send transactions via the Bluetooth wireless, or if you want to make sure the Bluetooth is turned off and only do this via cable, you can do that as well. So it's pretty light, feels pretty durable. I like how big this screen is. It's obviously a touch screen, so that's a huge bonus over a lot of the other wallets that we're seeing lately, a lot of those like crypto smart card wallets. When I pull this out, it gives you obviously a really nice pouch to protect it in. And of course you have the USB-A to USB, it's not C, looks like it's some other type of port, but it's not USB-C. And then it gives you the card for the Trend Micro, which is safeguarding your Web3 assets and data. Now the Trend Micro and the Chain Safer is like a software membership. It comes free with a standard account, and then if you want to go ahead and upgrade it to a premium account, if you end up liking it, you can do it there. Also in the box comes with the standard account and hidden accounts. You can go ahead and write down your different passphrases and your different pins. And you want to obviously keep that in a safe place. You have the basic user guide. And if I pull this over, you have your recovery seed phrase cards too as a backup. So obviously you want to keep these on a metal recovery seed backup plate, and don't keep them in paper form for obvious reasons, but comes with everything that you need. As far as the coin support, like I said, you're getting over 10,000 coins with this. It does work with MetaMask, which is a third-party wallet. It does work with Wallet Connect, which is a third-party Web3 wallet. And then as far as the major blockchain support, it does work with BNB chain and all of the BNB or BEP20 tokens. It works with the Solana chain and all of the Sol tokens. It works with obviously Ethereum and all ERC20 tokens. It works with obviously Bitcoin, and then the other ones like XRP, Doge, and several other ERC and Ethereum based tokens. So not a problem with coin support. It natively handles a lot of unique blockchains and unique tokens directly on here. There is no staking directly on the device natively. However, if you have staking set up through MetaMask or one of the third-party wallets, obviously you can utilize that, and you can do a QR code scan as well. As far as the actual price, now that we've kind of looked at everything that kind of comes in the box and sort of the difference here of what this Trend Micro or Chain Safer is, which I'm really excited to try now that I've opened and unboxed the wallet in front of you guys, and let you know kind of how it works, and try to go find some scam NFT projects and smart contracts and see before I sign, what the messages are. So I'll do a follow-up on this as well, but let's talk about the price. And before I give you the full retail price of this, go ahead and check my link down in the description. It's gonna give you the absolute best possible deal and discount that you can ever get on this, no matter whether you're watching this now or you find this video in the future. My link in the description has a discount directly with SecuX, and that varies depending on what time of year and when you do it, but go ahead and check my link, and it is programmed to give you the best deal and discount at checkout. Now, with that said, the total retail price for the SecuX WX20 with Trend Micro here is $139 US. That's pretty competitive. Obviously, it's cheaper than a Ledger Nano X, which I'm guessing most people aren't gonna buy now anyways after what happened a few months ago. This does come, again, with multi-platform support, meaning mobile and desktop. It does have wireless support. It looks like it's a pretty good wallet, and it has a massive touchscreen, so the user experience is really good. But again, the big difference here is that it is now integrated with Trend Micro on the software side, not on the hardware side. So before you initiate and sign transactions with this device, you will actually have an extra layer of protection, which is interesting to me. Again, I haven't used it yet, but I plan on using it and getting back to you guys and letting you know how it works. So let me know. That's pretty much all I have for this right now. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns on this device, if you want more information, or if you want me to make another video on my experience with the Trend Micro part of it. I like that people are coming up with innovative cybersecurity solutions to integrate with hardware solutions like this, so that we can each be a little bit safer and have a little bit more information about how we're interacting with our digital assets. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here. I'm gonna go ahead and link and click here on this video here to give the original WX20, so you can kind of see the difference, unboxing review. And I will see you guys in the next video. Crypto Renegade out.